Hey everyone, welcome to the A-frame cabin full tour. I'm going to start out by walking you through the outdoor kitchen. So we've got everything one might need for a few nights. A trash can, propane cook stove, some pots. We have a little instruction manual right here and some chairs underneath the table. Propane cans, a camp stove, a couple cooking essentials, a lighter. And over here we have a 2.5 gallon water jug with some wash bins, soap, sponge, a nice big cooler. And we even have a bucket for dirty water over here. We keep the hammock inside the outdoor kitchen because it's screened in so there's no bugs, and if it rains you can still enjoy the outdoors and not get wet. And now we're gonna head on up to the A-frame. I might be a little bit biased, but isn't she so beautiful? This is our little sitting area, and we have a smokeless fire pit right here. Let's just pretend that it's nighttime and the fire is blazing. And here is our little woodshed where we keep our wood bundles. We charge guests for wood. There's our little cash jar. Let's head inside and I'll show you around. What you see when you first walk in is framed art of an oak tree and a very comfortable full-sized bed. We provide quality pillows and linens for a super cozy stay. We wanted to up the cozy factor as much as possible, so we added sheepskin rugs to the floor. And here's the skylight window we added last minute. Very happy we did that. These are our little dormer windows. And we have a tiny table over there in the corner that can fit probably one, but we have another table under the bed that would fit two. Can't skimp on the towels, so we got waffle towels. And check out this gorgeous pillow made from a vintage Turkish rug. Here we have our guest book. Every morning when I have to do a turnover, this is the first thing that I run to. I just love reading how people enjoyed their stay. Now, I know the fake flowers aren't necessary, but they do brighten up the space a little bit. We added these cute little gold hooks in case people wanted to hang coats or wet towels. Over in this corner is where we keep all of the essentials. We've got paper towels, a big water jug, a candle if you want, and some chocolates because, you know, who doesn't love chocolate? And down here are all our drinking glasses, our mugs, our wine glasses, and we've got some plates and bowls over here. And on this shelf is the tea kettle, the French press, we've got some sugar, creamer, we even have some instant coffee, some tea, salt, pepper, oil, silverware, and wine opener. And on the bottom shelf, we have some insect repellent, some tissues, some cleaning wipes, reading material, a puzzle, and we have a couple games. This is a vintage chess game. They're all magnetic. It's pretty cool. And then we also have some cards in this card box. And here's a fan if it gets too hot. Here's a little view of the outside, and the outhouse is right there, very convenient. And now I'm going to take you on a little tour inside the outhouse. This is the front door. And in we go. When you first walk in, there's a little picture of an A-frame, very fitting. We have a little plastic roof, and then these are all solar string lights on the inside. We have separate poop toilet and pee toilet just to make things a little less disgusting, and peel and stick tiles on the floor, so it's very easy to clean. We tried to make this glamping experience as comfortable as possible, so we add some sanitizer, deodorant, dry shampoo, feminine wipes, makeup wipes, everything you'd need. And underneath here we have some paper towels, toilet paper, first aid kit, some other stuff down there, and a beautiful view of the A-frame, although most people will probably shut the door. And we have a tiny trash can. Those are the cedar shavings, and some toilet paper. This is the pee toilet, sparkly clean. And over here is the poop toilet. Already has some shavings in there, good to go. Now I'm going to take you back to the entrance where I'm going to bring you on a little tour of our outdoor shower. So here is our most recent addition, the outdoor shower. Guests have been so happy to be able to have a nice hot shower during their stay, and I absolutely take advantage of this shower as often as I can. It's literally amazing. And here's the shower head with some instructions on how to use it. We got the Camp Lux. It's awesome. We love it. Here's a little ball valve. You open or close it, and right away the flames turn on and provide the most delicious hot shower. I also have to mention that the pressure from the shower is almost better than the pressure from the shower in my house. We also provide some shampoo, conditioner, soap. These plants are thriving here. And who wouldn't want to take a shower under this beautiful canopy of trees? Come on. That about wraps up our tour video. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, as we'll have more projects in the future to share with you all. I hope you're all well, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here to say that we are so thankful for all the support you've given us on our videos. It means a lot to us. And a couple other things I wanted to mention. I wanted to say how we structure our videos. We'll finish a project and upload a video. So, for example, we finished the A-frame build and then we uploaded the video. We finished the outhouse build, we uploaded the video. We finished the shower build, we uploaded the video. And now we have a full tour, so you can see kind of how we pieced it all together. It works out easier for us that way, and we'll probably continue to do videos that way going forward. Another thing I want to mention is that we are definitely amateur builders. We've never built anything in our lives before this. We'll make mistakes along the way, which we do, and we grow and learn from those. It's kind of what makes us human. Anyone can do this if you watch a lot of YouTube videos. Yeah, we watched a ton of YouTube videos, and that really gave us the confidence to just do it. We started this whole journey with the stimulus check in 2021 that everybody got. Instead of just spending that money, we wanted to do something that will generate more money for years to come. So we used that money to build our first cabin, and then we took the profits from the cabin, we put it on Airbnb for the summer. So we took those profits and built the A-frame. And we're gonna keep going that way. But so yeah, that's how it all started. We just took advantage of an opportunity that we saw. Currently, we're kind of looking around for land to do our next build. So we hope you can follow along on our journey with us. We're really excited for what the future holds, and yeah, once again, we really appreciate all of your support.